the beach now, and see if I can show. No, okay, I'll show this way. See, we're at the beach. Yay! Say hi. You say hi.
Hi.
To the camera. So hi everyone, we're at the beach now. It's a Yankee beach in St. Augustine, Florida. So you can see BLueMan and his sisters are having fun in the water, and I'm just looking after our stuff. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye!
Okay. It's recording. It's recording.
Look at that shell!
Cool, cool. How's the water?
Oh, like crazy!
好凍啊！超凍。
So we're gonna leave, and it's really nice to be in the beach in the winter. So you guys are jealous, huh? Alright, bye!